Hi, this is Rock. We're going to talk about the function choose. This function allows you to input an index number and from that index number provide a list of values separated by commas that would return one of those values based on the index that you put in. Here I have a list of countries in the world, and what we're going to do is set up a quick data validation drop-down box. Let's do a list here, and it's going to be 1 through 10. And so when I choose this number 1 through 10, what I want to have happen is I want this choose function to return among the values that I've input. We're going to say choose, and the index number is the one that I choose here. And then notice I have to give one value and then there's optional other values. So what I'm going to do is choose 10 countries, and I'm going to do this arbitrarily, but let's say Belize is the first. Then I'm going to put a comma and choose Congo. I'm going to choose France. And I'm just randomly selecting countries here. And value 10. I'm going to close that with a parentheses, hit enter, and right now it's giving me a value error because I haven't put anything in D5. But if I choose 5, it gives me the Bahamas because that was the 5th value. If I choose value 5, H16 is Bahamas. So let's try a few more. If I choose 2, it's Congo. If I choose 9, it's South Korea. That's choose. Next, we're going to talk about switch. See you then.